Unblock on someone on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then click on the settings and privacy, and then you have to click on the settings. And when you click on the settings, you come to this page, and in the privacy tab you have to find the blocking, and if you see the blocking, you have to click on the blocking, and here you can see the all the people that you have blocked. So if you then you can unblock the people by seeing the unblock option in the right side of his list, so you can unblock them. So if you want to unblock this person, you have to click on the unblock in the right side, and then you have to click on the unblock, and the person you have unblocked is fully unblocked after 48 hours for you. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.